This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Emil Nazarian. Welcome to your dream home. Gorgeous traditional brick beauty in one of Norfolk's premier neighborhoods, Lafayette Shores. Bright, open and airy floor plan with spacious rooms, perfect for entertaining, as well as more private areas for a home office. The home is conveniently located directly across from the tennis courts, clubhouse and community pool. Tons of upgrades, including a remodeled kitchen with granite countertops and new marble backsplash, new stainless steel KitchenAid/Samsung appliances, new tankless water heater, hardwood floors in almost all the rooms. Stunning master bedroom with a fireplace coupled with a beautifully renovated master bath with all the high-end finishes. Oversized room over the garage with its own full bathroom. Too many upgrades to list. Must see to appreciate. Don't